Hello everyone, we are Huiyang Packaging, located in Chaozhou, has been providing effective packaging solution to over 40 countries all around the world for more than 20 years. Here we will show you our production process one by one. We have been involved in OEM and ODM products for years. We have a designer team capable of providing effective designs. Raw material preparation. All materials are food grade and with ISO and FDA standard from purchasing to production. We have 4 sets of advanced high-speed photography printing machine, up to 10 colors printing and 250 meters per minute. And now here is the drying laminating, and also we have the solventless laminating. This part is combined the several layers together. Here is the sliding production department. We are cutting a small roll film, depends on the customer requirements. And now here is our bag making production room. We have up to 20 sets of the bag making machine. We can make the different types of the bag. We have a set of the standardized production process that belong to our company and adapt to all our customers. The whole process is rigorous and standardized. We pay attention to every detail of the process. Ensure the best and customer satisfaction is our biggest affirmation.